Hello, everyone. You're welcome. Let's try to solve some test question based on articles. Number 1. This is apple. Now choose the correct alternative. Number 2. I have cup of tea. Which can be the best answer? Number 3. Which is tallest building? Number 4. You must arrive within hour. Number 5. That is elephant. Number 6. There is bird on the roof. Number 7. Which is biggest desert? Number 8. That is ant. Number 9. Who is best student of class? Number 10. Have you got pen? Number 11. There is glass of water. Number 12. There is life only in earth. Number 13. It takes hour. Now, number 14. It's university. And number 15. That's moon. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.